Hello everyone, you're welcome to my class. Today we have a problem to solve on the board. The problem is a sales boy gave a change of 68 naira instead of 72 naira. Calculate his percentage error. Now what we are going to do here, we're going to find the difference. Let's see the mistake, the error that was created. So it will be 72 minus 68. So when you subtract it, you have what? 4. So the error that the person made was 4 naira. So to calculate the error now, the percentage error now, to be 4 over the original price, which is 72, times what? 100. So you multiply this, you have 400 over what? 72. So if we take 2 year, 200, 2 year, 36, 2 year, 100, 2 year, you have what? 18. 2 year, 50, 2 year, 9. The final answer will be how many 9 to 50 is what? I think 5, 5. Remainder 5 over what? 9. So this become the final answer. Thank you for watching my class. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow my page. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.